Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at couponastro.com, a site that claims to be a premium destination for verified discount codes and exclusive deals from the world's biggest brands. They promise 100% verified codes and daily updates on everything from fashion to electronics. It sounds like a shopper's paradise, but we all know that if something sounds too good to be true, it's probably a trap. Because clearly, global tech giants are just lining up to give away their profits to a website you've never heard of. Let's break down why this site is raising more red flags than a lifeguard at a shark convention. The first major concern is the site's age. When we checked the registration, we found it was only created in September 2025. That is incredibly recent, and in the world of online shopping, new usually means untested or gone by tomorrow. Most reliable coupon sites have years of history and a reputation to maintain, but this one is practically a newborn. Then there's the identity crisis. The link redirects you to couponra.com, yet the platform itself displays the name Coupon Boomer. It's hard to trust a company that can't even decide what its own name is. I suppose having 3 different names is one way to keep the debt collectors confused, but it's not a great look for building user trust. When it comes to the actual service, things get even worse. We tried to redeem a code, and to nobody's surprise, it simply didn't work. This brings us to the too good to be true offers they flaunt on their homepage. They claim to have massive savings for brands like Apple and Expedia, which are famous for almost never offering heavy discounts through third-party sites. If you really think Apple is handing out half-off coupons to a site called Coupon Boomer, I have a lovely bridge in London I'd like to sell you. These deals aren't just unrealistic. They're complete fiction designed to get you to click. Finally, let's talk about their supposed community. The platform boldly claims to have over 50,000 happy users, yet a quick search on Trustpilot reveals absolutely nothing. Not a single genuine review exists for a site that supposedly has a small city's worth of fans. I guess those 50,000 people are just part of a secret society sworn to silence about their amazing savings. Between the inconsistent branding, the non-functional codes, and the invisible user base, couponastro.com is a total skip. Save your time and your data by sticking to verified platforms. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest updates and reality checks.